let's put on some earrings. So I have these gold ones that I really want, and gold matches the details of my pink bag. It's a heart. I'm gonna put it on my upper piercing, and the one on the bottom, I have a heart one and a tulip one, so I'm probably just gonna do them not matching because that's cool girl things. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Wait now. Okay, this is what it's looking like. Let me zoom you in. This is my left ear and this is my right ear. It's giving anything. Now let me put on my Hello Kitty perfume, which I totally did not buy just because it's Hello Kitty. But it smells good and it's red, which matches my outfit. I gave myself a rule that each day I only have a maximum of 5 sprays of my perfume because too much is not giving. It's like it's giving too strong. Lastly, let's do powder, which I'm gonna bring with my retouch stuff. Speaking about retouch stuff, I'm just gonna bring my lip tint and my lip gloss and this powder and my SPF na to. I'm not gonna put my shoes on cause mamaya pa kami alis, hinintay ko pa kuya ko. Pero look at this. This is my outfit and these are the shoes I'm gonna wear. These are my school shoes, but you know, sayang ang ganda-ganda. School ko lang gagamitin. I'm ready. Okay. Wish me luck. Okay, last na, promise. These are the details of my fit. This is what I would look like if I was a bag. Okay, what? Yan. Okay, bye-bye. Totoong bye-bye na.